Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I got one more pumpkin from Michael's. This is just a little plastic pumpkin. I wanted to do just a simple project, and you can do this with any dollar store pumpkin or anything. But step one is we are going to cover it with glow-in-the-dark paint because we have a larger surface. I'm using my foam brush. I'm not going to worry if it's 6,000% covered. But basically we're just going to go down like this, and I'm going to do a couple layers because I want this to really, really, really glow. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, so we got that covered. I wasn't going for 100% coverage, but let's go ahead and we're going to turn out the lights and we'll see how it looks with a black light, and then we'll go on to our next step. All right, so I just wanted you guys to be able to see what it looked like before our next step. So definitely less coverage on the bottom, and I didn't do the bottom at all. It's kind of streaky, which is cool. And since I did the 2 layers, it should be pretty glowy. So now we'll do the next step, and then I'll show you how it looks in the dark after that. So the next step is to add this super cool product called Montana Marble. Comes in different colors. I got this at my local art store. I'm not sure. I think you can maybe get it at Lowe's, Home Depot. But it's basically like silly string in a spray can. And this is black. So we're just gonna have some grown-up fun with this. Oh my gosh, I'm totally spraying my shelves. A little more and then we're done. It's super easy and super fun, slightly addicting. You literally just do as much or as little as you want. I think that's good. Okay. So this does 2 things. Obviously, it now makes it look kind of dirty, roughed up, a little bit different. But now let's see how this looks in the dark, because realize that that's going to cover up some of that glow in the dark paint, giving us a different effect. All right, so now this is how it looks in the dark. So definitely more kind of grungy. I might actually put a little more of this stuff on here, but yeah, I think it's super cool and it glows in the dark like awesome. So I am going to put just a tiny bit more in there, and then I'm going to seal it, and I'm just going to use the Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel Spray. And then I will show you guys the final product. All right, so we're back. I have sealed this with Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel Sprays. That's why it has that bit of a gloss. And now let's see how it looks in the dark with that Montana Marble spray on it. I think it's gonna look super cool. Okay, as always, we'll start with the black light. So you can see it's got this really cool, just grungy look. Let me bring the black light more above it. I think that's so cool. All right, and then let's do it completely in the dark. Once again, this should glow at least for a little bit. I'll put it a little bit closer here. And then it will fade. If you want to charge this, you just leave it out in the sun, and this you can leave out in the sun all day long and it'll be charged for the nighttime. So here we go. Very cool. Super glow. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This will likely be my last pumpkin video of the season, but who knows, there's still a few more weeks until Halloween, so maybe we'll get one more. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a very simple project, really only needed just a couple supplies. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.